What's up, guys? Different style video today. Well, we're not on a bike today because this happened. Yeah, so I'm at home recuperating. And as many of you might know, well, those who follow me on Instagram definitely know, and those who sometimes go through the YouTube community section will know that I was in an accident. An accident that could have claimed my life or even broken more bones, you know. But thanks be to God, I am here. I have no broken bones. Well, apart from a toe, I don't have, my hand is not broken. I said no scratch in my hand middle. Right, no scratch. There's a scratch right there. Coming up my arm, there's no scratch, nothing. I wasn't even wearing any gloves. For those who remember, I lost my gloves. They were left in a vehicle and the person donated them or whatever, so I need to buy new gloves. All of that will be coming soon. But yeah, I was involved in an accident. Yes, Paradise Biker. For out of everybody, he was involved in an accident. Yep, it happens. I was not expecting it to happen, you know, but that's why it happened, because I wasn't expecting it to. And thing. How did the accident happen? I was heading home, right, on October the 5th. I left work around like 6:30. I won't speak much of the accident, but I'll give you guys an insight because I kind of owe you guys at least that much. But as it regards to the accident, I can't speak too much about it. And yes, there is video footage of the accident, but I can't show you guys as well. That part cannot be released until investigation is done, insurance is processed, and all of them things. Like, it's gonna be a couple months until I am able to release the footage of the accident. So I beg for your patience, guys. Just hold on, and in due time that footage will be released. But for now, to protect myself and to protect the driver of the vehicle, I have to leave the footage as is. Yes, the person is taking full responsibility for what happened because it was their wrong that happened. I wasn't speeding. I wasn't doing anything out of the way. Me never did a ride like me no sense. I was doing everything normal. You understand? Normal. And basically what happened, the driver was in the right lane. So the driver was in the right lane. Use my foot as a right lane. Driver was in the right lane. Alright, I was approaching in that same right. No. So what happened was the driver came out from somewhere. So the driver drove out from somewhere and they went into the right lane. There are two lanes. So the driver came out, went into the right lane. I was in the right lane, I went to the left lane. Alright, as I was about to pass the vehicle like this, the vehicle just goes up, boom, and turn left for me, and me just end up in the vehicle. I couldn't stop, I couldn't do nothing, I couldn't avoid it. Basically totally couldn't avoid it. The only way I could avoid it is if I was traveling very slow. And truth and fact, in Jamaica, them but 6:30 is night. I am not going to drive slow at 6:30, especially while riding a bike, bro. It's way too dangerous. You ride slow, man pull up on you, man take you off your bike and take your bike. You understand? So you have to ride with little pace, but at the same time, no ride to kill yourself. You understand what I say? So I was just riding normally. Speed limit was like maybe 40, 50. I was riding within the speed limit. You understand? And the accident happened. The person is taking full responsibility, and that's that. I could have lost my life. I could have even broken my foot, even lost my foot, lost my arm. Any part of me could have damaged, but thanks be to God, the only part of me that got damaged is my toe. So it's my big toe right down there. So according to the doctors, my big toe is broken. Me did I feel a whole heap of pain. Whole heap of pain at the big toe, but now currently me not really feel no pain. The pain what me I feel is like in my muscle, like in my legs, like them place, yeah. In my shoulder, right here, so up here, so pain up here, so I feel pain in my back, right here, so pain around here, so I feel pain in my neck, my knee. Let me just hide the knee, because the knee not look so pretty at all, guys. By the way, this is my birthmark. Alright, my birthmark up on my knee, so if my knee look extra dark, that's my birthmark. Yeah, my knee swell up and thing. Yeah, I'll just blur this out because it look kind of graphic. My knee is swollen and thing. And yeah, guys, I honestly don't have any scratches apart from my knee. I don't have any scratches or any bruises that you can look at and say, oh, he did in our accident. If I know for me toe, once I go to hospital, I'm going back to the hospital and they're going to remove the cast. The reason why they put on the cast is because me did stubborn, right? I wanted to walk, but me couldn't walk. Couldn't walk properly, so then put on the cast so that it can help me for walk. But the walking thing kind of hard, right? And as you can see, I had to buy a pair of crutch here to help me with moving around, because I can hardly put pressure on the foot. You know, whenever I put pressure on the foot, the toe hurt me. So that is that, guys. Honestly, guys, I am in good shape. Honestly, considering the accident that I was in, I am in good shape. Me in a good spirits as well. Me not down. Honestly, my spirit not cut. And even though some people are telling me, say, yo, family members are telling me that, hey, time to leave the bike. Sorry, guys. Forever bike life. Forever bike life. I hope a bike doesn't take my life, but I'm forever bike life, yo. This won't get me down. This a simple thing, man. This not do nothing. It's a simple thing, man. So I'm just the home recuperating, guys. Videos, I will still be making videos, but as I mentioned, I won't be putting up the video of the crash. That won't be going up anytime soon, so do not expect it. Don't ask me to send you it. No, that's only for the insurance and the police. So there, guys, as I said, I'm still gonna make videos. I have a lot of video footage that I'm going to put out. I have time. I have time now because, you know, obviously me can't work, so I'm there home now. I will make as much videos as me can and put out as much videos as me can for you guys to enjoy. Yeah, so this is just an update after the crash, guys. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And you know, enough love, enough respect from those who have been messaging me, finding out what happened to me. I respect all I know. I love the fact that you show no concern for somebody where you basically don't know. You understand? I respect that and thing, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna sign out here now. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, continue to watch. I will, as long as me tell somebody, as long as the breath of life is within me, I will continue to make YouTube videos until further notice. Alright, so enough respect, guys, and thing. Oh yeah, guys, as it regards to safety, bikers, just take on your time, because I know if I was going faster than the speed I was going, my injuries would have been way far worse. Guys, wear on a protective gear. I was wearing my helmet. That was pretty much the only protective gear I have right now. That's the only protective gear I have right now. Wear your helmet. The helmet is the #1 thing that you should wear. Get your helmet, get your gloves, get your back protector, get your knee pads, your elbow pads. Try get as much gear as you can, guys. If you can ride with a steel toe shoes, get that, because if I was wearing a proper, maybe a steel toe shoes, or maybe a tough shoes, or maybe a biker shoes in specific, my toe probably would have been alright. But I was wearing a soft rubber shoe. Basically, once the accident happened, the shoes just fly off. So guys, try to invest in gear, in proper bike gear. If you can't buy you don't have to buy the top of the line gear, right? Any gear that you can buy, it is good enough to protect you from something. So guys, just buy the protective gear, ride safe, and stay vigilant out there. Honestly, stay vigilant. This person who hit me, them never put on no indicator, nothing. And the thing is, they turned at the last second when I was right at the bumper of the vehicle. There was nothing I could have done, guys. All the while I preach about how you have to be aware of the road and everything. Honestly, in the split second when the vehicle turned versus the speed and everything, I don't know, guys. I mean, it could have been avoided if I was going slower, but at the same time, as a normal person who don't want to get robbed. Alright? But guys, invest in your gear. You see me? Stay safe, stay vigilant. Read the road. Read the road. If you're going down a line of traffic and you see where there's a gap in front of you, slow down. More than likely a vehicle is coming out from a minor onto the major road that you may be on. You understand? Slow down, look around the vehicle, or look in front of the vehicle if you can. If it's a small vehicle and you can look over it, stand up on the bike and look over the vehicle. You understand? Always try to have a clear sight of what's happening ahead of you, because that's how you know whether or not something is going on. Just do what you need to do, right? And do the proper thing. Alright. So enjoy these shots.